Hello, children. Today we are going to learn about skeletal system, the human skeletal system. Have a look at this picture. The human skeletal system is the internal framework of the human body. It is composed of around 270 bones at birth. This total decreases to around 206 bones by adulthood. Look at this skull. The skull protects the brain. This is eye socket. This one is neck bone. This one is shoulder blade. This one is breastbone. This one is collarbone. Look at this cage like structure. This is called rib cage. The lungs, our lungs and hearts are protected in this rib cage. Look at this. A bone is coming. This is called vertebra or backbone. The vertebra protects the spinal cord, which is called backbone. This is pelvis bone or pelvis girdle. This down one pointed is tailbone. Look at this hand bones. This one here, elbow joint. This long bone of hand is humerus. This is the down one is divided into two. One is radius and the other one is ulna. Look at this long bone of legs. At this thigh bone, the longest bone in our body, is called femur. This one is here patella, or it is also known as kneecap. Again down, two bones are there in leg. One is tibia and the other one is fibula. Look at this, all toes bones are there. This is called talus. So the role of human skeletal system. What is the role of human skeletal system? Why we need this kind of frame? The human skeletal system performs 6 major functions like support, movement, protection, production of blood cells, storage of minerals, and endocrine regulations. These are the role of human skeletal system. The skeleton provides the framework which supports the body. The skeleton provides framework which supports the body and maintain its shape. The skeleton helps to protect our many vital internal organs from being damaged, like the skull. The skull protects the brain. Look at this teeth, this nasal cavity, and the eye sockets. Our brain inside this skull. Look at another picture from the side. Eye socket, nasal cavity, upper jawbone, and lower jawbone. This rib cage, the rib cage, spine, and sternum protects the lungs and heart and major blood vessels. The human skeleton performs 6 major functions in support, movement, protection, production of blood cells, storage of minerals, and endocrine regulations. So, this is the human skeletal system. Our internal framework is looking like frame. Look at the skull again. Skull. And look at all the bones. Again, I will repeat. This one is a skull bone. Here, neck bone. This one, shoulder blade. This one, breastbone. This one is collarbone. This long bone is humerus. This down, 2 bones are coming in arms. One is radius, one is ulna. This is vertebra, also known as backbone or spinal cord. This is our pelvis girdle. This down pointed is tailbone. The long bone of our body is thigh bone, which is also known as femur. This is the longest bone in our body. The single longest bone, thigh bone, which is called femur. Patella is here, it is also known as kneecap. Down leg, 2 bones are there, one is tibia, one is fibula, and here talus and all the feet bones. So by the adulthood we have 206 bones in our body. At the time of birth it is total 270, and it decreases and remains 206 only. Thank you.